In today's video, we're going to look at how anticipation will enhance and improve your animations. So stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Eon and welcome to my Start Animating YouTube channel. The channel that is specifically aimed at everyone that is new to animation, and if that is you, welcome, you are at the right place. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and also click on that little notification bell so that you can get notified every week when I upload a brand new video. Now I've started this series of how the 12 principles of animation will benefit your animation. So I do like a before and after kind of animations, and last week I did a video on squash and stretch and how I take an animation and then applied, and then the before and after we compare the two to see what difference the squash and stretch make. And today we're going to look at anticipation. Now I created a whole playlist of all the 12 principles of animation, so if you're interested, I'll put it right here, then you can go have a look and just to refresh your mind. But if I can just quickly summarize, anticipation is basically when you let your character do a action like a pre-action, so he's doing something before he's doing the main action. For example, if I can give a quick example is, let's say for example the character wants to run, so before he runs he goes back and then he starts running. So when he goes back, that is your anticipation. So it is telling the audience that your character is about to do something. Okay, now here I've got a character, and again these characters is available on my website for purchase. It is G3 characters with a 360 head as well as fully rigged hands. So if you're interested, in the description box below there's a link where you can purchase these characters. Okay, so what I did is I've already animated this first part. So if I'm gonna press play, this character is basically just punching, and you can see he just punched. And it kind of looks boring. Okay, so then I created a second character. Let's just move him there, and we can hide this one. Okay, so let's just delete that one. Okay, so I've got my second character and I'm gonna let him punch as well, but I'm gonna add a anticipation pose before he punch. Okay, so basically what you want is we've got him maybe there, and now let's just make that 0 as well. And we just copy and paste just so that he is at the same frame so that he doesn't move. There you go. Okay, so if I press play, you'll see nothing happens. So the first pose I want him to do is I want him to go back. Okay, so let's do that quickly. So let's go to frame 20 and let's animate him where he goes back. So let's do this quickly. This is just a rough animation, so I'm not really going to spend too much time on this. So we want him maybe to go a little bit back, move this leg up and drop this lower leg, move him like so. And so I'm just getting him in a quick pose, and we take his arm back and bring that in. So we make this his anticipation pose. So if we go there, okay, so let's just fix that arm. So we want to fix that quickly. So it is his right arm. Transpose. Let's just copy and paste. Okay, so that is fixed. So if he goes there, and then you want him to punch. Okay, so let's go right there and let's move him. Okay, so we go there. We can now swirl his upper body, make him forward. This arm will be at the front and straight, and we can maybe just move this arm a little bit forward. This head can be there, and let's move this like so. Okay, so just a rough pose. So I did an anticipation pose, so that is your anticipation, and then he punch. So if we press play, that looks so much better. Okay, so basically what I did is I've just added an anticipation pose. So let's combine or compare the two characters quickly. So we've got the two of them right next to each other, and if we're gonna press play, you can see the second one just looks so much better. Okay, so obviously there's a lot you can still do to fine-tune the punch. This is, like you see, I just did a quick two poses, and obviously you want to do slow in, slow out. You want he maybe to pause a little bit there on the anticipation pose, and you can see his arm is not moving the way it should. So there's a lot of fine-tuning you can still do, but at the end of the day, it still looks so much better than the first pose. Okay, it looks realistic. You can actually see what your character is going to do. So that is basically anticipation and how it really improves your animation. So I hope this before and after have demonstrated the impact and the improvement anticipation has on your animations. If you are new to animation, you want to learn animation, I do have a free video training. So in the description below there's a link. You can just click there and you can work alongside with me, and by the end of that video you would have created your very first animation, and it's a great way for you to start. So feel free to take me up on that offer. It's absolutely free, and it's a perfect way for you to start animating, and then obviously once you've done that, you can start learning the 12 principles of animation, and you can really enhance your animations. So guys, that is it for me. I will see you guys next week with another video. So God bless and happy animating.